Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're headed to the Louis Vuitton store to check out the Side Trunk PM. Now, this side trunk comes in a bunch of different sizes and colorways, but we are taking a look at both the black and the chalk color. Now let's talk a little bit about the structure of this bag. So it is crafted from grained calfskin leather with a gold color S-lock and corners. This bag is inspired by the house's vintage trunks, which are really iconic to the Louis Vuitton brand. You have two strap options, so you can either hold this as a top handle bag or as a crossbody, and it can fit a ton. So I was overall really intrigued by this bag. It looks really designed and it looks really luxurious. Like, it looks like you're getting your money's worth with this bag. And what's even more is that it's going to fit a boatload of things. So while the opening of the bag is not too big, it will pack quite a bit. Now let's go ahead and try on the crossbody strap so that you can see both ways of wearing this. Now, I personally really like the handle way, but I always love when there's an option to have both because, you know, if you're paying for a bag this expensive, you do want to have all of those options. Now, this does retail for $3,950 as of January 2025, which is approximately the same amount as the LV twist bag and about double or just under double of the Alma. So keep that reference in mind. I do think you're getting a lot of design for this bag. I think you're getting a lot more design than the twist, but that's just my perspective. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.